can I say? It's the Loco Airstreamer, and I finally have the camera I want to actually show you guys what's going on. In this video, you should be able to go all the way around and see everything. Refrigerator sitting right here. A lot of stuff sitting around. But I just wanted you to know, I haven't forgotten about you. I appreciate you guys subscribing. I really do. And I just wanted to let you know I've been really busy with the fly fishing website and the YouTube channel for that. But it's time. It really is time. So, little progress here and there. Got my mount for the refrigerator. You should be able to take your cursor, or I'm just so excited about this camera. It makes the whole Airstream thing what I imagined. Should be able to take your cursor and stroll around the whole trailer if you want. See all the junk back there. There's some electrical right there. I think you can see it from where you are. It's all done. AC's working great. Got the vent over here. Gotta get this done. If you guys know anything about running gas that's pooping, let me know, because I am just about to do that and I don't know anything about it. That's a scary proposition for me. We'll see what happens. Kind of low light in here today. We had a stormy day here in North Texas. Guys, like and subscribe. Let's get this show on the road.